going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Today is another episode of Cheap Eats with Bones in the month of Cheap Eats after you just spent all your money on Christmas presents. Now, today we're going to do up cheesy bourbon sloppy joes. Yes, you can go to the grocery store and buy you a can of that bourbon sloppy joe sauce, and you can take it home and use that, and you can fix it for the kids and the wife or the husband, and they ain't gonna say nothing. It'll just taste alright, I guess, but ain't nobody gonna say nothing, and they'll just move on to the next meal. But what I'm gonna show you, people be actually wanting to eat. So stick around, we're going to get right to it. We're going to go ahead and begin. First, we're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil. Just go ahead and coat the pan. Now, I'm only doing 1 pound of ground meat. You need more? Amp up the recipe. We're going to start off with a half of bell pepper and 1/2 of an onion. I diced up both. Go ahead and let those sweat for a couple minutes. Alright, the onions have turned a little translucent now. The peppers have cooked up nicely. So we're going to go ahead and add in our ground beef. Gonna let that go ahead and cook down. And we are back. So now we're gonna add in the rest of the ingredients. 1 can of Rotel. Might be a little different than what you're used to, but hey, that's me. I'm a little different. 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Some Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. A couple tablespoons worth. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, and a whole host of other spices, including paprika. Half a bottle of barbecue sauce. We're going to let this simmer down for a little while. I will be adding the bourbon in just a second. Today we're using Jim Beam Devil's Cut. At least 1/4 of a cup. Now with that pre-mixed sauce, it would already be thickened, and you'd just be able to ready serve it probably in just about 5 minutes or so. But we're gonna let this kind of simmer for a little while, kind of like chili. After I bought that sauce one time, I started making my own. So we're going to let this go for a little while. We're going to be right back. And now we're on to that final step, because the Sloppy Joe mix has finally come together and melded. So now we're on to adding that cheese. Adding about 6 ounces of cheese. Now again, this is about 1 pound of ground meat. You want more cheese? You add more cheese. You want less cheese? Less cheese. It's all depending on you. Again, personal preference. And we are now done. And we're done. It's looking good. It's smelling good. It's not going to be as messy though, thanks to the addition of that cheese, which is the plan. Don't want to get it all over the shirt. You know how sloppy joes can be real messy. So let's go ahead and dig in real quick. Oh yeah, people. Got that nice good flavor. Nice tomatoey. Got that barbecue flavor. Got a little hint of bourbon. Cheesy. So good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.